Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create corporate branding materials in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. If you're using Canva Pro, that's even better because you can get access to brand kits, premium templates, and advanced export options. Think about the core branding materials you need: business cards, letterheads, presentations, social media posts, proposals, and company profile. So uploading the company logo, choosing brand colors, and selecting fonts that match the business style. Everything you will design later will follow these elements. So again, if you have Canva Pro, open the brand selection right here. Then create a brand kit. Add the logo, color palette, and fonts here. This allows Canva to automatically apply your brand across all designs, while saving time and keeping everything consistent. So search for any corporate or professional templates in Canva. Go to the Templates tab, and let's say Corporate Templates. Let's click on any of this, customize this template. So basically pick any layouts that are clean, minimal, and business focused. Avoid overly playful or decorative designs unless the brand requires it. When editing, replace the placeholder text with the company's real info. Adjust font sizes, spacing, and alignment to keep everything readable and balanced. White space is your friend in the corporate world design. For presentations and documents, keep slides consistent. Use the same heading, styles, color accents, and layout patterns throughout. This strengthens the brand identity and makes it look well organized. Design supporting materials like the email headers, social media graphics, and internal documents with your brand colors and fonts already set. Canva automatically keeps everything visually consistent. Lastly, exporting your brand material. So before exporting, double check alignment, spelling, and logo placement. Small mistakes can make designs look unprofessional. For exports, use PDF for print materials, PNG or JPG for digital assets, and for presentation mode, export it by PPTX or the slides. Exporting correctly ensures the quality stays intact. Final tips: following this process helps businesses maintain a strong, recognizable brand presence without hiring a large design team. Canva makes it easy to create a professional, polished branding materials quickly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.